Bronco's tuned to be so mean, while Holler stays in stock pristine. Throw the rocks and trails so steep, Martin drives with style so neat. Swapping batteries, fast and slick, never stuck, he knows the trick. When the power starts to drain, a fresh new pack will light the game. Bronco broke, was torn apart, but rose again, a brand new start. Now it shines in fearless green, stronger, faster, built to dream.
Through the trails of dust and stone, Ford Bronco leads, yet not alone. Traxxas hauler right behind, pushing forward, both aligned. Branches snap and rocks break loose, white cliffs shine in nature's hues. Trails so rough, the journey wild, but Martin drives with ease and style. Haulers low, but six wheels spin. Bronco's tall, yet pulls within. Strengths and flaws, they balance out. No terrain can bring them down. Rust eats hard. check, no big deal. It's tough, reliable, made of steel. Not much fun through the hills and rocky bends. The journey finds its final end. Martin laughs, the ride was grand. Gyps grew keen bird,